My name is Christina Torres. What made me join Propel was I had just had my son. My mother's friend ended up sending me a text, "Hey, I think I found something that could be a potential for you." And I've opened this little link up and it was Propel. I decided that I needed to take a chance on myself. I decided that I needed to take a chance for me to better my future and help my son's future. So I just said, I'm gonna do it. Propel offered me the flexibility to be a mom, full-time student, and still be able to work and put food on the table for my family. Whenever I had a question or I was questioning myself, they were there to reassure me. Email, text message, phone call, they were right there when I needed them. Propel has improved a lot for my life. Being able to actually get to the career that I want and now have, and moving forward with my education, it was very, very rewarding.